Hi everyone, today I have here a negative regulated power supply, 0 to 30 volts at 1 amp max. This uses a LM337 negative voltage regulator, and I made this because I was messing around with op amps at the time and wanted a dual supply. What that means is, if I show you, you have a normal supply plus 0 volt minus, and a negative supply would be negative. So what you would do, you'd connect the red lead, which is plus, and the black to 0, which is 0. On the negative side, you'd connect the red lead to 0 and the black lead to negative, thus giving you O volts plus and minus. So between there and there, say 10 volts, between there and there, say 10 volts, but between there and there would be 20 volts. If I bring this back, the camera is not focusing very well. If I can show you inside, basically I have a toroidal transformer. I have the circuit there. The regulator is mounted there on the back with a protective cover over it, as normally the case of these devices have voltage on them. I have the bridge rectifier just there, and also I have a multi-turn potentiometer. That's a multi-turn potentiometer. The meter registers voltage, and the switches between voltage and amps. I have set a lamp connected to it. I have adjusted the volts to 10 volts. You can see it's a multi-turn pot. Set that to 10 volts, switch to amps, and it's 200 milliamps. So that's basically all there is to this. It's a handy little unit to have, especially if you've got a normal power supply that's only a single power supply. With this connected, you then have a dual supply, and you can vary the voltage on each one. So if you want 10 volts plus and only 5 volts negative, this will do it for you. Anyway, it's only been a short video, but and it's only a very simple power unit. It was made just from spare parts basically. So hope that you found this little device of interest, and that maybe you may make one yourself. Thanks for watching.